Hello, dear friends. I hope you are well. In this video, I talk about one of the most exciting cars. Are you ready? Okay. Its name is C8 Corvette. Wow. I like this car. Just before you will watch my video, subscribe to my channel to be a professional mechanic to have all the car information. After watching the video, comment on which part of the car was interesting to you. HIGHS exotic sports car performance, easy to live with on a daily basis. High-end trim offers a premium experience. LOWS no manual transmission offered, lacks high-tech driver assists, not everyone loves the squared-off steering wheel. VRDICT Chevrolet Supercar Killer puts exotic-level performance within reach for the average Joe and Joanne. Overview. With supercar performance, an affordable price tag, and flashy styling, the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette honors the nameplate's decades-old status as an automotive icon, but with a mid-engine twist. The current C8 is the first generation to have its naturally aspirated V8 engine mounted behind the passenger compartment, which boosts Chevy's Halo sports car into the realm of exotic machinery. Its sharp handling and explosive acceleration are a match for sports cars costing tens of thousands more, but it's also comfortable and refined enough to drive cross-country. The C8 is offered as both a convertible and a coupe, and the hardtop model has a roof panel that can be lifted off to allow the sun to shine in. Its cabin is cozy but comfortable, and there's adequate trunk storage for groceries or luggage, making the Corvette an easy sports car to live with on a daily basis. We're charmed by this perennial favorite, and we think you will be too. Price, starting at $63,195. Where this vehicle ranks. What's new for 2023? This year marks the 70th anniversary of the Corvette, and to celebrate, Chevrolet will offer a special commemorative edition. The 70th anniversary model will be available only on the top-line 3LT trim, but can be ordered on both the coupe or convertible body style. Exterior enhancements include special dark finish aluminum wheels with 70th anniversary center caps, red brake calipers, and special exterior badging. White pearl metallic or carbon flash metallic are the two exterior colors, and they can be had with or without satin gray or satin black racing stripes. Leather upholstery with red stitching and microfiber trim adorns the 70th. Anniversary edition seats, and a set of custom matching luggage is also included. The 70th anniversary treatment is also available on the high-performance Z06 model, but we review that car separately. Other enhancements for the 2023 model year include new 20-inch wheel designs, optional black tailpipes, new stealth aluminum interior trim, and an available adrenaline red dipped cabin theme which covers the dash and door panels in red upholstery. What's new for 2022? To celebrate the C8. Race car's inaugural season, Chevrolet is offering a limited edition appearance package on the Corvette, which was inspired by the IMSA GT-LM championship-winning competition version. Only 1,000 will be built, and the package adds $6,595 to the base price of the 3LT trim. The package combines Accelerate yellow or hypersonic gray exterior paint with carbon flash colored mirror caps and rear spoiler. The Corvette racing logo appears throughout the design, and the cabin is done up in a yellow and gray scheme to match. Other changes for 2022 include a new optional low-profile rear spoiler, 3 new colors, and a few changes to the Corvette's mechanicals, including a new fuel pump and fuel injectors. Pricing and which one to buy. 1LT, $63,195. 2LT, $70,495. 3LT, $75,145. 70th anniversary. $80,000 est. The Corvette is available as either a coupe or a convertible with a folding hard top. Since the coupe's roof lifts off for open-top motoring anyway, we'd stick with it. We'd instead spend the money to upgrade to the 2LT version, which adds a number of features, including a head-up display, a wireless smartphone charging pad, heated and ventilated seats, a heated steering wheel, a 14-speaker Bose stereo system, blind spot monitoring, and much more. The Z51 Performance Package is also a must-have as it brings all of the Corvette's best performance-oriented gear: engine, transmission, and performance. Although the engine is in a new location, now behind the passenger compartment instead of in front of it, it remains a 6.2-liter V8, albeit one making 490 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. With the dual-mode performance exhaust that is part of the Z51 package, it makes 495 horsepower. The Z51 option also adds an electronic limited-slip rear differential, more aggressive brakes, and summer tires. An 8-speed dual-clutch automatic, a Corvette first, is the sole transmission. It is controlled either by a push-button gear selector on the center console or by using two large steering wheel-mounted shift paddles. A manual transmission is not available. In our testing, we recorded a 0 to a 60 mph time of 2.8 seconds and the quarter mile in 11.2 seconds at 122 miles per hour, in a car equipped with the Z51 Performance Package and the optional FE4 magnetorheological dampers. We managed a braking distance of 149 feet from 70 miles per hour and recorded 1.03 Gs on the skid pad. Even in base form, however, the new Corvette is capable of heroic handling and delivers big thrills on both road and track. Are they wonderful? If they are nice, like this video and subscribe me. Okay, let's go. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Corvette remains a pure two-seater, and the futuristic interior is lined in materials such as leather, real metal trim, and imitation suede. It even has a fancy stitched headliner. Speaking of the roof, it's removable on the coupe, just like those of previous Corvettes, and it fits inside the trunk that's just aft of the engine compartment. The rear trunk also can accommodate 2 golf bags, and a front trunk offers space for luggage or cargo while the roof is stowed. The driver sits behind a squared-off steering wheel and a 12.0-inch reconfigurable gauge display. A large infotainment touchscreen is angled toward the driver for ease of use. The interior design takes the driver-focused concept to the max, bisecting the cockpit with a tall bank of switches for the car's climate control system. Overall, the Corvette's cabin is quite good. Upgrading to the 3LT package gets you upgraded materials such as sewn leather on most of its interior surfaces, plus carbon fiber trim. The new Corvette offers 2 trunk areas, one ahead of the passenger compartment and one behind the engine, for a total of 13 cubic feet of storage space. Chevrolet says the Corvette can fit 2 sets of golf clubs in the rear compartment when they are stacked on top of each other. In our testing, we were able to fit our set of clubs easily, so Chevy's claim seems valid. When it came to seeing if there was room for our carry-on size suitcases, we were able to fit 1 in the Corvette's front trunk and 2 in the rear compartment. Infotainment and Connectivity. The new Corvette uses Chevrolet's Infotainment 3+ system, which features an 8.0-inch touchscreen with Bluetooth audio streaming, a 4G LTE mobile hotspot, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. The system is easy to use and quick to respond to commands. Warranty and maintenance coverage. While its performance is amazing, the Corvette's warranty coverage is strictly average. At least the first maintenance service is covered at no cost. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for the first visit. Which part of this car do you think is the most exciting? If you enjoyed watching the video, like it and share it with your car fan friends.